Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrestha, and in today's video we are going to discuss how you can make the most out of 2020. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So guys, if you have been following me on my Instagram, you would know that I was not keeping well. I had fever, cough, sore throat, and yes, I got the COVID tested as well and it was negative. Thank God for that. But I was not keeping well and I was so tired, so I finally took a break from everything. But I feel much better now, and I wanted to do a very quick video for you guys and talk about my experiences ever since December started. So before December started, let me give you a backstory. I really wanted to do a lot of things in the last month of 2020, of course, and one of the thing was that I was planning to do a challenge or a two and achieve a few of my goals before 2020 gets over. Because I got sick, I couldn't do any of it, and then I started feeling really guilty that I was not doing and making the most out of things. But giving all of that a break, I decided that instead of doing any challenge, because we are already somewhat 10 days into December, I was like, instead of doing any challenge, I would like to complete that one thing which I have been procrastinating for a while and complete it before 2020 gets over. Yes, if you are feeling the same overwhelming feeling that I don't know from where to start, what to do, 2020 is getting over, or you have a belief that maybe I'm gonna do something when 2021 starts, don't have that sort of belief. Instead, make the most out of 2020. Now, a lot of content creators, my favorite content creators, were doing a lot of challenges in December, and I did give you a few suggestions and suggested few of these creators. You can follow and do those challenges as well if you're still looking for doing a challenge, because it really doesn't matter that do you start on a day one or just do you join any day into the challenge. But I really wanted to give myself a break and I didn't want to do any challenge, and instead I wanted to again focus on just one thing before 2020 gets over. Now, before I tell you what that thing for me is and why am I asking you guys to do it, is because firstly, I want you to make the most out of 2020. I want you to do that one thing you have been procrastinating, or even two things. If they are small things, you can do a couple of them, but if it's just one major thing you want to finish, just concentrate on it for the rest of the days in December, and you will feel so better when you'll start the new year with that thing done. Trust me guys, it really makes you feel so much better. Secondly, usually at this time people get more lazy and they're like, you know what, I'll do it in the new year, I'll do it when the new year begins, it's going to be my new year resolution, it's going to be my new goals and intentions for the new year. But I just want to say, well, that kind of excitement is good and you should have that sort of excitement as well. It's really important that you make use of the time you already have in hand. So sit down, make sure that you just do that one thing. Now for me, you will literally love what that thing is. I really want to work on my acid skincare. Yes, now most of you will be like, acid skincare, what is she talking about? Guys, if you have seen any of my skincare videos, you would know that my skincare is literally like of a teenager. Yes, it's still so basic. I just have a moisturizer, a face mist, and sometimes I do like an under eye cream, or sometimes I just put the face oil. That's it. And I really want to amp up my skincare. So for the longest time ever, I was really thinking to start learning more about acids and incorporating into your skincare. But when it began, it was just all over. Everyone was trying it, and whenever there's a trend, I usually like to sit back unless and until it stays for a while. I just don't go with the hype of things. But then when everyone was raving about it, and still do, I was like, I have to learn it as well. Like, I don't want to just start with it, because you have to be really careful, because at the end of the day, it's chemical exfoliation and acids. So this is one thing I really want to learn and maybe incorporate one or two things before this year ends and 2021 begins. And since this goal is really not that big, it's just that I have been procrastinating it for a while now, like more than a year I have been procrastinating it. So I thought of adding another goal in it. So my second goal is to actually hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. Yes, if you can see, we are already at 1,900 subscribers while I'm making this video, and I'm super excited. 100 more and we will be 2,000. A family of 2,000, you guys. It still feels surreal when I just started and I was like, yes, this year we have to to hit 1000 subscriber, we have to monetize, guys. Help me, support me. And now I am asking you to make it to 2000 subscribers. It really feels so surreal, but yes, that's my another goal for this month before the year ends. Pause this video right now and decide that one thing you have to do before 2020 gets over. If it's like 2 or 3 little things, that also works perfectly fine. Pause this video, write it down, make sure you have it in front of you all the time so that you are reminded that yes, I have to finish it before 2020 gets over. And also remember to comment below and let me know what is the thing you want to finish before 2020 gets over. I ask these things on my Instagram as well. I'm super active there, so I would highly urge you to join me there as well, because we get to talk a lot there. And with that, guys, this was all about this video. Yes, it is one of the shortest videos I have ever made. It's because I just wanted to come here and talk about how to make most out of 2020. And yes, it's good to be back and it's good to make this sweet short video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it. Meet me next Thursday, guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all.